we are going to very simply add 1 quart of oil to our vehicles today. Gonna locate your little oil cap. Just gonna spin that off as such. May need to apply.
Gotta make it look easy.
More pressure. It is. Man, that shit was on there. God damn. Hit my knuckle. Alright. Take that off. We're gonna put in our funnel. Simply. I'm using 5W20. Your specifications you can find in your owner's manual. High mileage. I got over 120 miles on here. 120,000. Your specifications again you can find in your manual or on your oil cap. We're gonna take the oil cap off, well, the cap off of the oil bottle, and we are just gonna go ahead and drop it into a nice even flow. And if you're using a small one like me, you can just go ahead and turn that upside down in there. Make sure it drains completely. Alright, gonna let it drip. Get this all out of there. Good. Alright, once it drips, once it's done dripping, as you can see I got a slow drip. It's about empty, folks. I'm not gonna record all of that. Have you sitting there for another 10-15 minutes. Close it up. Remove the funnel. Reapply the cap. And as we should have started with, you're just gonna go ahead and check your oil level, make sure it's not a drip, and that's a pretty good level there, as you can see. Wipe it clean, put your oil stick back in there, and we are done.